I don't know what I'm represent for Peter Gay Life on YouTube. I bought it up. You see me? I have to talk it out. Okay, know the thing. Go back.
Good night to you guys. I know it's been a while, but I'm sorry I'm here with Nikai. It's like we're so fast right now, meaning that we're drunk. That and we're having some we're making some soup around 1:30 or 1:50 in the morning right now. We're waiting on Claire to come home. Watch Nikai. Crazy, we're making some ramens. Nikai, that already yet? You like it up already? Fuck. Bro. I know that you guys never had something like this before, but I swear, it's one of those nights, you know. It's like a few days. No, today is what, Saturday? Yeah, it's my last vacation until I go back to work. Maybe on Sunday, I would assume. So that's what we're doing right now. We're kind of fast. It's okay.
Everyone for that fun.
Thanks for the look soon. I'm gonna tell you good things say. Lock off the fan. Clear soon come on, man. No. What things I can't walk come in the room? Lock off the fan, okay?
Oh, need fun.
Feel the fan?
I get a blue.
And someone else like come in, I tell you. But I enjoy the soup right now. Watch out, mom is up to something. Clear supposed to soon call me. And they want church to go in the morning. You're coming to church, okay?
You will know we're not looking right.
Oh yeah. They have a lot of things to do, so you won't be coming to church. I don't even know if we're still going to church because I'm so tired. So basically, that's what's up. It's fresh.
You got I saw the offer was there.
Oh, what is?
What?
I don't know. There's like a black something here.
Come here too.
So.
Easy.
And the reason why I'm not really posting, you guys, my phone was just giving a big problem, but not to worry. I'm gonna fix you guys up shortly, okay?
I need that phone that wood.
Don't worry, I'll be getting a new phone soon, but that's what up. So when Cleo come from work, I'll check back in. We're gonna enjoy this right now. Cleo, Nikai, watch him.
From my dog, Jerry and nephew, I thought.
Don't it? Them first me, I say, meaning that they drunk me, they give me a lot of stuff to drink. But I want to be done because I just want to enjoy myself. But touch him. Open Clear, come make you walk, follow her at the bus stop, you know. I know that you guys never experienced like this before, but watch him. I'm zoom up. Can zoom up on this. But I'll be back soon, yeah? Okay? Yeah. So yeah. Hi guys, it's the next morning after all that drinking. Cleo and I, Cleo. We're going to church today.
And it's 11 o'clock and who goes to church at 11 o'clock? This girl let me
She stated that church starts at 10, but why are we leaving at 11 though? It's clear for.
Church actually starts at 9 o'clock.
I need a Nescafe, I can't get it in me. I still don't feel good. All of that drinking last night was so...
Don't worry, the house of the Lord.
Back here for me.
He'll heal you.
Yeah, I understand the that, but I need something hot.
Not interesting.
So today is just a church godly day.
Peter, you don't reach at church yet. I'm not can get it.
It's not like so we stand up. They must have a seat. So you guys should go to church sometimes, even once in a blue moon, just to give the Lord thanks that you're alive and healthy. So we're gonna pray today, you guys. So when I reach the church, I'll be back to y'all. Look how clear it nice. So we're at the bus stop right now. Waiting for the bus. Oh, yeah, kind of
eyebrow on the eye.
Yeah. Oh, what's the name of the church we're going to today?
But today people that bust and them wind up them glass.
What's the name of the church we're going today?
Eh?
What's the name of the church?
We're going to very far 7 Day Adventist Church.
So, yeah.
There are so many of them I can't come. But we really want to take time out to let you know how enlightened we are.
Three hours later.
Guys, we came back from church. Church was good. We came back around a few hours ago. Wow. And from she come back from church, I know Wally car, she just go out a lot of crazy stuff. And there's Nicole, right there.
Hey.
Yes,
Hey guys.
Nicole, you tell them, you hear them up last night, how you feeling? In regards to last night, Nicole? You must say they have on the AC.
Are you going too much?
Yeah. Nicole? You must say the last time I see them out last night.
Peter gets upset that I grab her phone.
It's a stay upon them. You have to talk to them. Talk to my life.
I got pretty eyes.
Oh, you don't know what you only knows about your ugly eyes though. Okay? What's that? Okay. Right now we're gonna bake some chicken. Cleo making some turn corn for a dog. So that's what we're doing right now. We're just chefing up.